welcome back to PyAI Hub. In the last video, we filtered data using workflows, but real analysis usually requires more than one condition. So, what if you want students older than 21 and from Chennai? So, there are two conditions, one is age and the other is city. So, that's where logical operators come in. So, today we are going to learn about and, or, and not. Okay? So, first of all, let's do our base things. That's our placing the CD and our location. Afterwards, we call our DuckDB with the DB name, your DB file name. Okay. Afterwards, we will enter to select staff from students. That's where we start first. Okay. So I hope you all remember what select star from students give. Okay. So here we select star from students. That means it gives all the rows and columns. Okay. Now, we are going to talk about and. Okay. So, when we say and, like I need bread and water. So, we need both bread and water. If we, in this case also, we use and for that purpose. And means both condition must be true. If I need a laptop and charger, so I need both of that. Okay. So, like that, and works. It satisfy both the conditions. Okay. So we can write the query based on and. Let's start from select star from and give the database name students. Afterwards, we place our workloads where our first condition, that's age is greater than 20, and we are using the and in between, and we need city which is equals Delhi. So here we provide select staff from students. So it will select all the rows and all the columns and rows. And afterwards, we placed our condition statement or the workloads for our condition met. Okay. So here I placed age is greater than 20 and I added a and in between. Okay. And then I placed city which is equal to Delhi. So it should met both the criteria. If we run this, we can only find a single name. That's Rahul Delhi 23. So he is greater than 20 and also his city is Delhi. So you understand how this really works. Here it returns the student older than 20 and located in Delhi. Both condition must be satisfied in the case we are using and. Now we are moving to or. Just like and, it's like if we are I want a fruit like apple. I want apple or banana. So I want one of it, not both of that. Any one is enough. Okay. In the same scenario, we can mean the word or. Or means at least one condition must be true. Okay, at least one. So let's write and understand what really it means. Our first query always is select star from. We need to select the column name students. After that, we provide where and the column name city, which is Mumbai, and here we are adding or and city, which is Chennai. Okay, so I provide or in between both the city names. Let's write. So it shows the same way. This returns the students from Mumbai or Chennai. Either condition is enough. The or always mean that at least one condition must be true. Okay. What if we use note? We talk about and then or. Now we need to talk about note. Note is a reverse action or reverse condition. Okay. Here let's do this first. Just like the above, we write select star from students. Afterwards, we place our or close and then note, where note city equals Delhi. Okay. So this returns all the students who are not from Delhi. Now you understand the difference between and, or, and not. First, and, which should satisfy all the conditions in between that. Okay. When it comes to or, it need to satisfy only at least a condition. But at least a condition should be satisfied. Okay. And if we come to the note, if we place note after the word clause, it should remove that whatever after note should be removed while we call select star from students. That's what note mean for. So here uh, it returns all the students who are not from Delhi. Okay. So now I have a challenge for you. Okay, just a mini challenge. Write a query to select students who are older than 21 and or from Bangalore. Okay, so that's our challenge. That select a query that students older than 21 or from Bangalore. So you need to mention that in comments. So you can also understand whether you got the topic or not. Okay. As a recap, let's go through and, or, and not. And means both condition must be true. When it comes to or, at least one condition must be true. And not, which is a reverse condition. Okay. In the next episode, we will learn about like, in, and between, which make filtering even more powerful. Okay. So I hope this topic is clear and have a great day.